In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play FigJam music. If you're brainstorming or running a workshop in FigJam, a little background music can keep the energy up and help everyone focus. FigJam makes this simple with a built-in music option right inside the timer panel. In the next couple of minutes, I'll show you exactly where to find it, how to pick a vibe that matches your session, and how to start playback so your team hears it too. First, go to your FigJam file. Open Figma and switch to the FigJam board where you're collaborating. Make sure you're in a jam, not a design file, so you see the correct toolbar. It helps to load the board fully before you continue. If you're presenting or sharing your screen, confirm your device audio is enabled so viewers can hear what you play. That's all you need to do to get into position. Next, click on the timer in the right corner. Look toward the top right of the FigJam interface for the small timer icon that resembles a stopwatch. Clicking it opens a panel that controls timed activities, and it's also where FigJam's music lives. If your window is narrow or you've zoomed in, the icon may compress into the overflow. Widen the window or zoom out a notch to reveal it. Inside the timer panel, you'll see a music section. Select the type of music genre you want. FigJam provides curated options designed for work sessions, ranging from calm ambient textures to more upbeat lo-fi rhythms. Choose the genre that complements your activity, softer sounds for quiet writing or something more lively when you want momentum. You can switch genres anytime without disrupting your flow. Finally, click play. FigJam begins streaming the chosen background track into your session. Collaborators in the file will hear it according to their own volume and mute settings, and you can keep working while the music runs in the background. If someone reports silence, remind them to check their device volume or unmute the session audio on their end. When you're done, use the same panel to pause or change the vibe instantly. That's it. Go to your FigJam file, open the timer in the right corner, choose a genre in the music section, and hit play to set the tone for your workshop or brainstorm. If you don't see the music section, ensure you're using the latest version of FigJam or open the file in a browser. Interfaces change slightly, but the music option sits alongside the timer controls.